What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're here with my IS300. I'm about to get it washed. This thing is really dirty right now. Oh shit, I forgot about the underbody stuff. We in a laser car wash, guys, because this car won't fit over anything that's like 2 inches tall. So we're in a laser car wash right now, which is like the best way to go about washing your slow ass car. So this thing is pretty cool. I take my cars here every time I need to wash my car or rinse it off, because there's nowhere else to really do it besides work. And the cool thing about my work is we have a detailing shop inside, so my car is always clean. It's Thanksgiving and everything's closed, so we're gonna have to deal with this for now. Today's video is gonna be about, is the IS300 the next big car? Like, is it the next big drift car? Are you guys going to see this IS300 blow up in the market, in the drift community, and what's going to happen the next year or two, and what's currently going on with the IS300? Stay tuned for that. You guys don't want to miss it, and let's get this car washed. Not bad. This is my 04 IS300. Man, she looks just gorgeous. Just actually installed this rear spoiler right here from eBay for, I got it for 10 bucks from a buddy, but I just installed that and I think it completes the look. I think it looks a lot better. It just ties it in. The IS300 has a longer back glass and it kind of looks weird, but with that, I recommend, guys, with that installed, it just gives it a nice balance in the back. I did get a new exhaust I wanted to show you guys, and I haven't gotten it installed. It's just a tip, but I want to get it installed because I know it's gonna look good. Let me show you guys. I have it in the trunk right here. So right here we have a Megan Racing muffler tip, and it's real carbon fiber. There's carbon fiber all around this right here. And you got a 4-inch titanium colored tip. So hopefully this sounds good, and hopefully it looks good. I know it's gonna look good because just the carbon fiber accents on here, and just these pipes alone, guys. They just, something about the way the titanium color and the carbon fiber sits just looks good. We're gonna install that and replace this because the sound is a little harsh. And also, I just want a more refined, low-tone sound from like a good quality exhaust. I didn't want to go ahead and buy the full exhaust because we are still on a budget, but I also already have a Gretty resonator, and the piping right here is actually about 3 inches, so it's gonna weld up perfectly to this, we hope, and it's gonna just look good and sit perfect with the bumper, I guess. If you guys are wondering if the IS300 is a good car, if it's something that you should buy next, if it's a car that you're looking into for a project, for a drift project, I highly recommend it. I mean, like, just look at it, guys. It just looks good. It's nice. It sounds great. It's 4 doors, and you got a manual 5-speed transmission if you can get one. And the car is just, I love everything about it. I have no complaints. I think the main thing is I appreciate everything about this car, and I have no complaints about it. So there's little things here and there, but every car has its own weakness. The sticky dash is crap. You have little scratch marks right here, and the material is kind of sticky. That's why they call it sticky dash. Once you scratch it all up, you're gonna start to get this weird texture. It's like a gummy, sticky texture, almost like adhesion. As far as everything, guys, this thing has an LSD rear differential, rear diff from factory, and it works really good. I'm not gonna do any slides or skids for you right now. Yeah, guys, listen to the sound. I do have a fat exhaust leak right now from the eBay racing headers, and it does sound like it's leaking, so as you guys can tell. That's basically it for the IS300. I love this thing. It's a great car. It's been reliable to me. It looks good. I get compliments all the time. On the way up here, someone pulled up, well, someone was driving by in like a Volkswagen Jetta, and he gave me a thumbs up. Is every time I drive this car, the way it sits, it just gets traction, and people are they're just like, sick car, dude. And the build just stands out. I got an aftermarket HKS front bumper, and the fenders just tie in with it. And I think just everything I've done to it just ties in pretty well. And it just looks good. It's nothing crazy. It's not wide body. Well, the front is wide fenders, but it's not wide body. I didn't have to cut the rears or anything. It's just rolled. The car has bullet holes. Those are authentic bullet holes. I don't even know what happened there. I don't know how it happened. That's how I got the car, and that's probably why I got the car. So if you guys did watch my building my IS300 video in 10 minutes, I picked the car up from auction. The car had minimal problems. Literally the only thing was the bullet holes, and the radiator leaked a little bit from that, but that's literally it. And you know, we drove the car home. We JB welded the radiator, put water in there, drove it 3 hours home. After that, the car's been fine, and I decided to upgrade to a Mishimoto. So the car is solid. It was super clean other than the bullet holes. And that's why I copped it, because you aren't gonna find a lot of manuals nowadays, guys, and it's hard to find. That's just the truth. You can still hear the bullet holes. That's fucking wild. But yeah, this is all I got in here is the Mishimoto radiator. We got the eBay headers, and that's basically it. Pretty clean in here. I don't really do too much to it, but it's pretty clean. Wow. Is the IS300 the next drift car? Is it the next trending JDM car that is, you know, coming up? My answer to your question is yes. It is the next JDM car. It's the next car that's about to blow up, especially the 5 speeds. People are looking for them right now. Value is going up. Last year I bought 2 automatics, and I sold them each for literally a third of the price you can get them for them now. And that just goes to show they're going up in value. The 2 JZs are becoming more well known. The whole car culture are starting to catch on to the IS300s. And then like the more you see them around and the more you see people doing stuff to it, the more you want one. That's how it started for me. Irvin had one and I didn't think anything of it. But then when I drove it, I was like, this car is pretty sick. I like the dash, I like the design. I like how Lexus created a car that drives so well, and this is the result. So if you guys are wondering if the IS300 is a good car, my answer is yes. And is it the next big thing? I think so too. So I hear voices.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work in. You can find me where that turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack. Quick stat, think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint, I'm gonna stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the line just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh, got it off of the passion. I keep it up.
So there you have it, guys. The IS300 is one of the best entry-level drift cars. It's one of the best cars you can get for daily driver. That's rear-wheel drive. And if you're looking for a manual, it has the factory LSD on most of them. And I think it's worth it. So if you guys can get your hands on one, I do recommend you get one because you will see for yourself. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. It's Thanksgiving today, and I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Spend time with your family and live it up out there, guys. Appreciate every single one of you for watching and taking time out of your day to see what we're up to. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And IS300s are all the way to go, like I said. But peace out, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, stay motivated and be driven. Peace.